Today I show you how to start the flashlight on your iPad. I have my iPhone there filming the camera of the iPad so you see the flashlight. That's the flash. It's used for pictures, but it can also be used as a flashlight. To be able to start the flashlight on your iPad, make sure you have the flashlight button, and if you don't have it, long press in the control center, then tap add control and you can add it from there. And once it's added, you can simply tap on the flashlight button and you see the iPhone camera is showing that this flashlight on the iPad is on, and you can use this to see in the dark, in the evening. It's pretty useful. It's also useful for video, when recording video or taking pictures with the iPad. You can actually take pictures with the iPad, and I could take a picture right now. So I could use the flash, I could set it to on, and you see there is this is the picture I took with the flashlight, and that's the picture without the flashlight, like this. So you can use the flashlight for pictures, but you can also use the flashlight to see in the evening or in the dark. Thanks for watching.